Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
In order to start working with your pictures and elements, you'll need to be sure to copy them to your hard drive of your computer. If you're retrieving pictures from your digital camera, follow the instructions for your particular model and copy the photos to the folder of your choice on your hard drive. Depending on your camera, you'll have the choice to take your photos in one of two file formats, JPEG or Camera Raw. In general, most lower-cost cameras only allow for JPEG files, while more expensive models allow both JPEG and Camera Raw. You choose which file type you want your photos to be in before you take your pictures. JPEG, which stands for Joint Photographic Experts Group, is the most common type of file format. When a camera produces a JPEG file, it compresses it before it saves it. This produces a smaller file and as a result loses a bit of data, usually unrecognizable. Camera Raw images give you an uncompressed and larger file with no loss of data or clarity. If you have the space and the choice, it's always a better idea to shoot in Camera Raw as you'll achieve maximum clarity in your photos. Once your photos are saved to your hard drive, you can add them to the organizer. To do so, open the organizer and then choose File, Get Photos and Videos from Files and Folders from the menu bar. Let's do that. So File, Get Photos and Videos, we'll slide over and then select from Files and Folders. Now you navigate to the folder where you have your images stored. In the Get Photos from Files and Folder dialog box, you use the View drop-down located right here, and that's to the right of the Look-In drop-down list, and then you choose thumbnails so that you can see your photos and make sure you're selecting the ones you want. So using the Look-In drop-down here, you would navigate to the folder that contains the photos that you want to add. Choose the files you want to add to the organizer window by clicking on the first image. Now if you hold down the Shift key and then click on another photo, you'll select those photos as well as any between the choices, like that. Clicking the Control key allows you to select non-consecutive images. So if I click out of here, I could select this, hold down the Control key, select this one, and this one. Once you've made your selection, in this case we'll select all of them, selecting the first and last one while holding down the Shift key. Once you have those selected, then you simply say Get Media, and it will add your photos to the Elements organizer. Then you'll see this dialog box appear. The only items in the main window are those you just imported. To see the rest of the catalog, click Show All. Well, those are the only ones we've added so far, and we don't really want to see this again, so we'll click Don't Show Again, and then we'll click OK. And then we'll see all of the images that we just added to the organizer here in the main organizer window.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.